Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the picture and your area. Trim photos to size, seal prints with 2 thin coats of clear spray. This prevents ink bleed once resin touches paper. Once sealed, level your work surface and arrange silicone molds so nothing shifts. Measure the resin and hardener precisely, following the product ratio, 1 or 2. 1, then mix slowly for 2-3 minutes to minimize bubbles. Scraping sides and bottom as you mix ensures full incorporation and consistent cure. Once your base layer is tacky but not fully cured, carefully position the sealed photo face up on the resin. Make sure alignment is exact. Gently press the photo edges to expel trapped air, and use a small brush to smooth any wrinkles so resin flows under evenly. Then pour the main resin in controlled 5-10 mm layers. Allow each layer to become tacky, about the working time, before adding the next. This staged pouring prevents displacement and reduces internal bubbles for a clear finish. To finish, pour a final 2-3 mm clear top coat and quickly pop surface bubbles with a small torch or hot air. Do this within 30-60 seconds for best results. Cure the piece at a stable 21-25 degrees C, avoiding drafts, and demold only after full cure time stated by the resin manufacturer. If you see bloom, haze, or fisheye defects, sand progressively from 600 to 2000 grit, then polish with a compound. This restores clarity. If problems persist, check seal on the photo and repeat sealing step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.